In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send SMS messages on Klaviyo. To get started, log into your Klaviyo account and make sure you are in the correct workspace for the brand you want to message. Sending an SMS campaign is done from the Campaigns area, so once you are on your main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click Campaigns. This is where you manage one-time sends, including email and SMS campaigns. Inside Campaigns, find the draft SMS you want to send. You will click the draft SMS and then choose Edit. Opening the draft is important because it ensures you are working from the correct template, audience, and campaign settings that you may have already prepared. After you enter the editor, take a moment to confirm your recipients. You want to make sure the list or segment selected is correct before you write or send anything. This helps prevent sending the message to the wrong group and reduces mistakes that can be hard to reverse after an SMS goes out. When you have confirmed the recipients look right, click Continue to Content. This takes you to the Message Content area, where you will write what subscribers will receive. Now type your message. Keep it clear and direct, since SMS is designed to be short and easy to read on a phone. It also helps to place the most important information near the beginning of the text. As you write, double-check spelling and confirm that the wording matches your brand voice. If your campaign includes any required compliance text, make sure it is present based on your account settings and avoid adding any sensitive personal information into the message. When your message is ready, click Review Your Message and Send. This is your final checkpoint to look over the content and verify everything appears exactly as intended. Review carefully, since SMS delivers quickly, and your subscribers will see it almost immediately. Finally, when you are confident everything is correct, click Send Now to launch the SMS campaign. Once you send, monitor performance in Klaviyo so you can learn what messaging works best for your audience. And that is all there is to it.